If you're starting an online business and you want to drive more conversions and you want to increase your sales and leave your competitors scrambling in the dust, then you need to be creating irresistible offers that your customers will love. This video will show you in 7 simple steps how to create compelling, irresistible offers that captivate your audience and will drive more sales to your business. Your irresistible offers will be the lifeblood of your successful online business, but your offers must have the ability to capture attention, create desire, and prompt action on the part of your prospect. Just like the frenzy of Black Friday sales, where customers are drawn to these irresistible offers, your offers should evoke a similar sense of excitement and urgency. Yeah. Um, Alex Hormozi is a renowned entrepreneur and sales expert who wrote a bestseller on this topic, says a great offer doesn't just sell, it compels. And the secret is to understand your target audience's needs, their desires, and particularly their pain points, and then design an offer that addresses them in a way that they can't resist. So here's the formula that the top marketers like Stas Prokofiev, Russell Brunson, Paul Murphy, this is what they teach their students. And I've broken it down into these simple 7 steps. Okay. First step, identify what your target audience wants the most, their desired outcome. And most often, your prospects want to solve a problem or they want to move away from pain. So the more your offer can solve their problem or help them to move away from that pain, then the more attractive their offer will be to them. Okay? Secondly, you need to provide certainty that your offer will deliver as promised, right? So as Stas Prokofiev says, people value safety and certainty very highly. And that's absolutely true, right? So use testimonials, guarantees, case studies, anything that will provide proof and increase your prospect's conviction that your offer will work for them. Now, thirdly, highlight any quick wins on the journey, right? So everybody wants instant results, obviously, and usually with as little effort as possible. So even if your solution or your service takes time to deliver, always try to include a quick short-term win for your customers that takes them further along the path towards your overall solution. And the next point is to identify your USP, your unique selling proposition. So start by clearly defining what sets your offer apart from the competition. What makes your product or service stand out? So what is its unique features or a specialized skill set or your personalized approach to the solution? Highlight how what you're offering provides a solution that is distinct and it's valuable to your target audience. Particularly emphasize what unique value you provide. Yeah. How does your offer solve a specific problem, answer a very specific question, or fulfill a specific desire? So, for example, let's say you're offering an online fitness program. Your USP could be that it provides personalized workout plans, nutrition guidance, and ongoing support from certified trainers. All right. Fourthly, highlight the benefits. Clearly articulate the benefits and the outcomes that customers can expect from your offer. Paint a vivid picture of the transformation they can expect. Right? So, for instance, highlight how your fitness program can help customers achieve their desired weight or increase their energy levels and boost their overall confidence and well-being. My coach, Stas Prokofiev, calls this the MER, a measurable end result. And what Stas says is that your client must be able to measure how far they've come after they've completed your program or purchased your product, right? There must be a tangible goal your prospect can potentially achieve. So for example, starting an online business in 24 hours, or getting your first client in 7 days, or feel 5 times better. All these things are measurable end result. And the next one is to create a sense of exclusivity, right? Make your offer feel exclusive and limited in some way. And this can be done by offering limited time promotions or special bonuses that have a shelf life or access to a select group of customers. People are generally drawn to things they perceive as scarce or available for a limited time. So consider offering bonuses and discounts or early access to create that sense of urgency. So, for instance, you could offer a limited number of spots in your fitness program, or provide bonus materials for a limited time, or one on one coaching for early signups, or offer a limited time discount to create a sense of urgency. You get the idea, right? So, by creating this sense of exclusivity, you create a desire for your audience to act quickly and not miss out on the opportunity. And the final seventh point about um, irresistible offers is to create a compelling call to action. So you've done all those things we've talked about, but your call to action needs to be very clear, very direct, concise, and compelling, right? So use persuasive language that encourages immediate action. For example, use phrases like join now and start your transformation program today, or claim your spot before they're all gone. Make it as easy and simple for your audience to take the next step, whatever that next step is, whether it's making a purchase or signing up for a free trial or joining a membership, and importantly, don't confuse your audience with too many options. A confused mind never buys. So make your call to action really clear and compelling. Now, remember, the goal overall is to create an offer that your target audience can't resist, right? So by understanding their needs and positioning your offer as unique, highlighting the benefits and creating that sense of urgency that we talked about, you will compel them to take action, right? And crafting these compelling, irresistible offers, it's a vital aspect of your online business success. Follow the formula and leveraging the strategies we discussed, right? You will be able to create offers that captivate your audience, will drive sales, and will ultimately help you to build a thriving online business, right? Below this video, you will find a link to what I believe is an absolutely irresistible offer for anyone who is serious about starting and growing their online business. Um, Firstly, you'll get a free 7-part video training detailing the insider secrets to starting a successful online business. These strategies are exactly what the top marketers like Russell Brunson and Paul Murphy, Stas Prokofiev, and others teach their students. Now, secondly, you're going to get access to weekly unlimited group coaching, right, from one of the world's top YouTube marketers. Goes out live every Tuesday. You can ask any questions you want, and it will keep you up to date with all the latest marketing strategies that are working right now. That's for a limited time only. You'll also get a free 24-hour ranking system. Right? I've used this myself, and it works brilliantly. You get lifetime access to a 4-module free traffic course that shows the exact system myself and over I think it's actually over 6,000 students using right now to get unlimited free traffic on Google and YouTube. And generally, there's more free resources in my offer from top coaches, and it depends on what when you view this video as to exactly what's available. Click the link below to get access to the offer. Everything is for free today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.